Alright, all you home theater enthusiasts out there, are you excited as I am? Just got the last piece in and we're about to set up my $15,000 home theater. We're doing 6 Polk RTI A9s, 2 Rotel RMB 1575s, Marantz AV7703 Pre-Pro, hooking it all up to a Panamax 5100. We've got 2 15-inch Velodyne subs, 4 Energy CR55s for our Atmos uppers, 55-inch LG TV. Let's get started. But before we do, I just wanted to show you all the cabling it takes to set something like this up. This isn't even all of it. This isn't speaker wires. This is just RCA cables. We still got power wires and all the wires to run these 11 speakers. Let's get going. Whew, that was heavy. Don't skip leg day, guys. I cannot stress the importance enough. If you're doing something like this, label your cables. You will regret it if you don't, I promise. Ooh, sorry I'm hiding, guys. Alright guys, well there she is. She's mostly set up. I had a few runs of wires that I'm going to have to change up tomorrow. They weren't quite long enough. I see you guys got to meet my bulldog Moose. But it's pretty much 3 in the morning here, so once we make sure everything works, I'm headed to bed. Let's check this out with some old school Dr. Dre just to make sure. Oh yeah. Alright, well have a good night guys. Well here she is guys, she's all set up. Cute. We got the Atmos up on the wall, we got 2 black pokes in the back corner, we got the 4 cherries in the front. And if you guys want to find out more or see more of the bulldogs, you'll have to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thanks.